Hi there, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today's project was part of a giveaway competition that I ran for the people on my email list and also people that follow me on social media. So congratulations if you guessed the right answer was genie, because it's a genie kit. So hopefully you've received your printables. If you missed out on the competition, don't worry, it's not too late. You can follow the link below this video and it'll take you to a genie related question, and if you get it right you can win the printables too. So the first thing to say is that I've printed everything out onto 160 GSM cardstock, and as you can see I've got it all out, and we're going to begin by grabbing all of these pieces, so the ones with this image on, and there's a pocket to go with it and a flap as well, and then there's two circles here which are going to be our closure. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to stick this piece to the top here. So a bit of glue on the back of this one, so nice and close to the edge. And then all over the back there, that piece. I'm just going to stick that down, line it up. That's it. And then I'm going to smooth it over with a bone folder, just to make sure the glue's nice and evenly dispersed right up to those edges. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my cutting mat because the next thing to do is to make some score lines. So I'm going to start, there are two score lines kind of in the middle of this pattern, down the middle, this blue pattern, so they're very close together. So it's going to give us just a tiny little gutter for our flap, so let's make two lines. So I'm going to pull them up into the ruler, kind of fold it over the ruler because they're roughly the same width, a pair of them together. And I don't know if you can see that, it's just got a tiny little gutter there. I need to trim that a little bit, so not quite matched there. There we go. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to make some score lines here and here. So it's going to create two flaps, and then this one I'm going to score to create a tab there. Okay, so these ones are going to fold in this way again. And then I'm going to put some glue on this tab here. And then around, so the larger side, I'm going to put some glue down one side and then along the bottom. And then just fold it into that tab, secure it down that side. And then this side, I'm just going to put a bit of glue on the top and the bottom because that's actually going to be a pocket. Let's fold that over. So we'll have a pocket in here and a pocket in there as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to fix our closure. So we just want this tiny dot. I'm going to stick it to the back of this in the middle, so a bit of glue, doesn't matter which side you put the glue on because you won't actually see this. It's going to give us a little bit of height on our closure. And then some glue over the top of that dot again. And then I'm just going to stick it to the front in the middle. Whoop. Slipping about a bit. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a little while, and while that's drying we can make up, there's a mini pocket to go inside. So we've got our magic lamp and a genie to go inside our magic lamp. So I'm going to score again down the center, and then I'm going to score both of those tabs. And fold all those in. So actually find it easier to fold into the score line first and then go back the other way like that. So that image is back to back, and then I'm going to fold those two in and put some glue on them. So right up to the edge there. And all over the tab. The same with this one. Then fold that in. Go. You can give it a little smooth as well if you like with your bone folder. So that's going to go inside our wallet, so in the back there, slip into there. And so we've got a pocket there, and then we have more pockets in pockets. So we have this image and this image. So we're going to put our genie inside the lamp where she belongs, and then I'm going to create a pocket out of this as well. So I'm just going to glue along the top and along the side and the bottom. And then I'm going to stick that image over the top. Create a pocket there. If you wanted to, you could take a little notch out of it so you can get access more easily if you want to. And then I'm going to put this one over the top to create another pocket. So again, glue both sides, and then some along the bottom. I'll stick that over there. Okay, so we'll come back to that one again when it's dry. So this one, on the reverse, we're going to have another pocket, which is this piece. So just some glue sides and bottom again. Stick that down. Yeah, so now we can stuff our pockets. So let's start with the genie. So on the back here, what have we got? We've got lamps and this chap. So genies. See how he looks in there. Yep, I'm going to put him in there. And then, which side did I glue? There we are, that side. I'll put that in there. Would that look good in there? Quite like the eye poking out, but I'm going to put it in there for the time being. I think I'll stick the genie lamp in there as well somewhere. Something like that. And then this then goes into our magic lamp. That then tucks into there quite nicely. You could put a little bit of string maybe on the top of there. That might make it a bit bulky. And then for this front pocket we have some lovely purpley buildings, so you can tuck in there. Maybe that way around. Yeah. And then on the back here, I'm going to just have a monkey and a elephant poking out like that. Oh, and we also have a genie of the lamp. Where should I put that on there? I'm going to put it on there. Stick that down. There we go. And then the last thing to do is to grab a bit of string to attach to our closure. So I'm just going to tuck the string underneath that. Have a little bit of a dangle there. And then wrap it round. I'm not sure it's quite dry, so let yours dry a little bit before you do this. And then I'm going to wrap it round again. Bring it round one last time. Wrap it round again, and then I'm going to cut that off. So there we are, one Genie pocket wallet. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want more Genie printables, there are lots in store, and the Rickety Snippets shop is linked below. Have fun with it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.